Guys, I'm sorry for any background noises. Anyway, this is the user manual for CX95S, and if you have a look here, we'll see the flight controllers diagram here, and it says ppm. There is DSM as well and SBUS, so I will use SBUS, and we can pretty much figure out very fast where the SBUS is going. So SBUS is this row here. So first one is signal, then we skip the second one, then is volts. So this one is volt, red wire +5, and this one is black wire ground, so pretty easy. White, red, black. Before that, I will unsolder the DSM receiver, and my plan is to drill a little hole over here so I can put my antenna out and keep it vertical.
With me and you, we lived our lives without a clue, and never tried to find the meaning. Those days weren't meant to last. I can't ache for what is past, cause I know what it means to be so close that I could see inside of you. Oh my friend, nothing ever ends, just look around, cause this is right where you and I belong. For you, you know, I loved a girl who said that I could change the world if only I was brave enough to live.
So before we go to beta flight, I want to show you where is the USB port is here in the front, and if we were to plug the USB, you'll see that well, sort of to calibrate the gyroscope would be nice just to use maybe either taller than these boxes, 2 boxes, and this way you can be sure that your drone is in a flat, it's on the flat positions.
Life in front of me, and these memories are fading fast, they're scattered like a broken glass.
It is very important to be sure it is horizontally as flat as that is possible. After that, we have to hit the button called calibrate accelerometer.
Will they be mended or as easily just swept away? Oh my friend, this is not the end, just look around, cause this is right where you and I.
Choose on the receiver section spec set serial based receiver spec set SBUS SMUD, and then we are choosing SBUS because our receiver is SBUS. So we made adjustments on the receiver section. We hit save and reboot. Comes back. Great. Then we have to go to the receiver, and in my case I'm using radiolink, so I just leave as a default, press save and see what happens. So now I can move the throttle and it reacts accordingly, yaw, pitch and roll. All right, that is good. And now what we have to do next, we have to obviously set up our modes. now the hover test of the switches. Now I will switch to the self-leveling mode, arm the motors, and let's have a look. All the motors are spinning. Yes. Let's lift it up. I think it's gonna be, it has lots of power. This motor is pretty good. Actually, I can feel it. It's gonna be fun to fly. Yaw, pitch, roll. All is good, all works fine. So guys, I do really hope my video helps you, and if you do have any questions, please ask. Yeah guys, I think it's gonna be a really nice nice toy to fly, and it seems that these motors are having lots of power, so I'll make another video, like a flight video, so to let you guys see how it flies, how it does. But so far everything seems alright. I'm pretty excited. Yeah, happy flying guys.